Hello friends, today we are going to start chapter number 1, chemical reactions and equations. Friends, there are many chemical reactions occurring around us in our everyday life. In this chapter we have to learn about the chemical reactions, how to balance them, some examples, some activities friends, and the types of chemical reaction. First of all, let's start some important examples of our daily life which we can consider as a chemical reactions. First friends, as you know, if milk is left at room temperature, then friends we will find that in summer season this may get converted into curd. This reaction is known as friends conversion of milk into curd. But in actual, if chemically we think we can find that in this reaction the lactose sugar of the milk is converted into lactic acid. This is done by the help of lactobacillus bacteria. So friends, milk converted into curd is the normal reaction we find, but chemically lactose sugar is converted into lactic acid. And as you know friends, acids are sour in taste. That's why the taste of curd is sour. So this is one routine example of our daily life of chemical reactions. Second friends, if you know, grapes get fermented. Fermentation reaction is also example of chemical reaction. Actually from grapes we get the grapes fermentation reaction, and the fermentation at the end of fermentation reaction we get different chemicals which we use in preparation of different type of alcoholic or non-alcoholic drinks. Third reaction friends is food cooking. This is also one example of chemical reactions. Fourth and fifth, two important are digestion of food friends and respiration in the body. These two are also a chemical reactions, but friends we will learn about them in the chapter number 6, life processes. Digestion takes place in our stomach and respiration is carried out in our lungs. So this is important thing friends. As you know, as you can see here, first milk is left at room temperature, milk is converted into curd. Second, grapes are fermented or grapes get fermented. Food cooking is, and digestion and respiration. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 examples are there of chemical reactions friends. Here we will start few activities. In first activity friends, we will check what is the chemical reaction takes place there and what are the changes taking place there. But first of all, let me clear one thing friends. In all the activities, you have to remember few things, few important things. First of all, you have to write what is the aim of the activity. Second friends, observation. What is taking place during the activity. And third thing friends is changes taking place during the activity. And fourth is friends conclusion. also you have to write. So all this activity of this chapter, always you have to learn 4 important things: aim of the activity, observation, changes taking place in the reaction, and the conclusion. So friends, in first activity, when magnesium burns with oxygen is always present, as you know, in air, and also friends, without oxygen there is no combustion possible. I am showing you here one activity in which, friends, magnesium is burned in presence of air. Let's check what happens here. Please concentrate, friends. Here is a video of chemical reaction. As you can see, friends, this is burner, magnesium ribbon is there, and also, friends, one magnesium part is taken from the magnesium ribbon, and now we are going to burn it. What happens? Let's check it out. A pair of tongue, you can see, is taken to hold the magnesium ribbon, and then what's happened? Let's check it out. So this is the chemical reaction. Please look at carefully, and what happens there? Magnesium will burn with oxygen, and the product will be obtained is magnesium oxide. How to write the chemical reaction, that we will learn later, but first of all, let's check what happened. So this is pair of tongue is taken in magnesium ribbon, and now it is burning. What happened there? As you can see, magnesium is a metal. Small part of metal is enough to perform this activity. So as you can see, friends, this is magnesium ribbon burning in presence of air, and dazzling flame, as you can see, is there. Also, friends, white powder is produced here. So this is the chemical reaction takes place. What is the conclusion? Conclusion is, friends, white powder is produced at the end of reaction. And what is the chemical reaction? How can we show it? We can show it like this: magnesium plus oxygen gives magnesium oxide. Friends, as you learnt in standard 9th, magnesium's valency is +2, oxygen's valency is -2. So the formula of magnesium oxide is MgO. But existence of oxygen is always 2. That's why 2 oxygen are compulsory here, and to balance it, this is the balanced chemical reaction. I will teach you, friends, how the balancing can be done, but now you have to remember only one thing: magnesium reacted with oxygen and magnesium oxide is produced. So first, aim to check what happened. Magnesium burns with oxygen. Observation, we have seen that, friend, white powder and dazzling flames are produced. Changes taking place में हम लिख सकते हैं, friends, कि white powder is converted, the metal is converted into powdery form, and conclusion, magnesium oxide is produced. So this is the conclusion. You have to remember, friends. Thank you.